Hello everyone. Welcome to ABC Plastics. My name is Jay and I'm the plant manager at ABC Plastics. ABC Plastics manufactures plastic molded components and assemblies for a variety of industries. It has a battery of extruder machines to produce high precision components with consistent quality. Our agenda for this presentation is a brief introduction to the ArchestrA-Workflow software and how this environment enables manufacturers like ABC Plastics to be collaborative in its efforts and achieve excellence at all times. Let me take you through a day at the plant at ABC Plastics. Here, we see a number of machines on the production line. Among them, the extruder machine, which is key to the extrusion molding process. Meet Joe, the production operator, who is also in charge of ensuring that constant output is achieved from this machine. Today, however, Joe faces a challenge. The extruder machine has broken down. The batch under production comes to a halt, and Joe is alerted by the system via an intuitive human-machine interface such as Wonderware-ArchestrA software. Joe, the production operator, promptly informs Lenny, the plant production supervisor, of the breakdown. Lenny, in turn, informs the maintenance engineer Ray. Ray promises to come down to the production line and analyze the situation that the machine is in. Ray inspects the machine and determines that the repairs will take a while. This may lead to a delay in completion of the batch. He informs Lenny, the production supervisor. After a long conversation with Ray, Lenny approves the maintenance schedule. Lenny informs the scheduler, Robert. Robert, in turn, informs the warehouse in charge of a possible delay in the arrival of the batch. Robert now reschedules the current order to a new line. Robert also ensures that Lenny, the production supervisor, receives a new recipe for the new line. The line change requires new setup procedures that need approvals from the quality department. Lenny, therefore, informs the quality department. The quality department approves setup procedures for the new line after the setup has been completed. Lenny now gives this new recipe to Joe, the production operator. The manual nature of communication results in a potential loss of information and time. The breakdown and rescheduling of the current batch to the new line causes the cycle time to increase. The lack of standard collaboration procedures to handle such breakdown events cause significant time lapses which lead to a loss in productivity. The situation further deteriorates due to very little or lack of synchronization between business applications and the production environment. Inability of being able to take concurrent decisions between the maintenance, scheduling and production departments increase the possibility of loss of effective asset utilization. Delay in receiving the finished batch from production leads to a compromise in dispatch performance. End result: unhappy customers. Due to frequent maintenance breakdowns, quality issues, frequent rescheduling of batches to handle rush orders, etc., Lenny and Joe are continuously firefighting and therefore decide to look for a new solution. Their search leads to a new approach to enable collaboration and institutionalize process rigor by way of agile templatization so that the enterprise is ready to react to events dynamically. Introducing the ArchestrA-Workflow software. A few months later, the extruder machine breaks down again. This time around, Lenny, the production supervisor, is automatically alerted by the system. Lenny can monitor the line easily via an intuitive human-machine interface such as Wonderware-ArchestrA software. The ArchestrA-Workflow software ensures concurrent broadcasting of the event to Ray, the maintenance engineer, and Robert, the scheduler. After consultation with Ray, the maintenance engineer, Lenny approves the maintenance schedule electronically. Robert sees the maintenance approval of the reschedule and is presented with a work items list requiring him to inform the production and quality department of the line change requirement and associated setup procedures. Lenny is notified of the new recipe for the line from Wonderware in-batch software, and he informs Joe, the line operator, of the same. Ray attends to the extruder and completes the maintenance work. All the stakeholders, Lenny, Joe, Robert, and the quality department, are alerted of the maintenance completion. The line is available for further production. Real-time performance can be monitored by Wonderware performance software, and if overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, goes below a designated target performance level, then a specific workflow can be kicked off by the ArchestrA-Workflow software. On the whole, a high level of operational excellence is achieved. Informed decision-making with minimal loss in productivity and asset utilization ensures operational excellence for ABC Plastics. In addition, they now also have a process institutionalized to handle any event scenario which makes them highly compliant. All stakeholders obtain concurrent views of the incident. Each stakeholder has a well-defined, concurrent, role-based action. There is a significant reduction in engineering effort by process templatization. There is minimal loss in productivity and asset efficiency. There is automated information exchange amongst the information users. Timely deliveries ensure happy customers.